Hey guys, I'm doing all the Hackerrank Java problems on this channel, so you can find the link in the description box or the I button, and you will find all the solutions to all the problems. So let's take this question today, the Java string reverse. So we would be given a string, for example madam, and we need to find out if it's a palindrome or not. So a palindrome string is a string that if we read it from the left side, it will read the same as if we read it from the right side. So for example, if we read madam from the left side, that is MADAM, it will read the same as if we read it from the right side. So it is a palindrome string, right? So we need to find that. So let's try to find it. First we need to initialize 2 pointers, so we'll take 0, I and j. So what I have done here is that I have taken 2 pointers, I and j. I would be starting at index 0 and j would be starting at index 8 dot length -1. So what I am trying to say is that we will take 2 pointers at the beginning and at the end of the string, and we would try to compare every letter of the string, and if any of the letters are not equal to each other, then it will not be a palindrome. So I would be at 0 index, that is the starting of the string, and j would be at length -1, that is at the end of the string, right? So if this is the 0th position, then this would be the length -1 position. So starting from this side, I will come increment, that is I plus plus, and j would be decrement, that is j minus minus, right? So now the main condition that we are going to run is I would be less than or equal to j. Since I is coming from the left side, so it will increase, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, and if j, and since j is coming from the right side, that is its value will decrease. So if the value was 5, then 4, then 3, like that. So this is our main condition. Then we will compare all the characters. So a dot character at I, if it is not equal to a dot character at j. If it is not equal, then we will say, we will print no. And we will return and then we need to, and then we also need to increase the value of I and decrease the value of j. So I plus plus and j minus minus, and if it is equal, then we also need to print yes. So system dot out dot so let's check it. Yes, so I hope you understood the method. There is also a shortcut method that we can use by just using the there is a build-up function for it, but I wanted to show you the actual algorithm that we use to check if a string is palindrome or not. So I have also made a separate video for the palindrome algorithm, so you can also check that out. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and peace.